That is the hashtag of our wedding. A decade of love. And the wedding the wedding ceremonies. It is not a ceremony, it is ceremonies. Will go for 10 days. Yes. It will go for 10 days. Yes. Hiyo niliambia Jux, nimeenda nikachukua notes but nataka nimfunze kitu. It will be 10 days ceremonies, different ceremonies. So if you are invited, get ready because you'll need like 20 outfits for this. Bwana Diamond hata nataka kuja asimamia alani 1 or 2 things. Jua bwana anahitaji juu leo niko sure nafanya mbele ya Diamond. You know niko sure. Okay, but this will be big. It will have the who is who in the African continent when it comes to entertainment, and when it comes to politics, the who is invited. So let me not say a lot.
Maybe for Diana, you talk about it. How well are you prepared on this? And also tell us, it's your special day. Maybe tuambie umepanga nini kubwa?
For me, it's actually very unreal. Wacha niseme hivyo. I pinch myself every day. Like even the thought of planning this is very overwhelming and exciting at the same time. So I wouldn't want to burst the bubble. Nikisema ni nini nimewaandalia and all that. The fact that it's a 10-day event, you all already know it's going to be massive, it's going to be big, it's going to be crazy like never seen before. It is my special day and the world has to know about it. So that is what is special about it.
And also,
yeah.